Hi friends, today we're drawing a monster again. This time it's Thomas the Spider, which we will draw in profile. Begin with the foreground to avoid overlapping parts. Since the legs are in the foreground, start with the front leg. Draw a curve, then the knee, and another curve to complete this part of the leg. Draw the second part of the leg about the same size, but thinner. They can be uneven, one of the greatest things in drawing monsters. The third part of the leg is even thinner. The second leg starts from here. Draw it as shown. Similarly, draw the second part thinner. Draw the rear legs a little smaller. Since the light falls from above, the lower part of the legs will be in shadow. Use the same marker to color all the legs. Now for Thomas's torso, it's easier to use a ruler to keep everything even. Draw a straight line here, then another below it, as I show. This area can be colored afterwards, but my drawing will be black and white. Draw 3 semicircles below our line for the train wheels. Then small circles inside each semicircle. And spokes. Draw another straight line with the ruler to connect the wheels. Trace around each wheel to make it bolder. We could color this part in black, but I suggest using a pencil or a gray marker. You can use whatever you have, it's not that important. I'm going to use a regular pencil to shade this area. First, hatch at one angle, then another, so the color fill looks even. Draw a semicircle as I show. Finish by connecting it to our straight line. Then draw a straight line over the middle wheel. Ideally, you can use a ruler here too to ensure all the lines are even, but drawing by hand is useful if you want to develop your skills. I immediately drew a shadow on the pipe, giving it some volume. This area is also shaded with a pencil. Draw a big circle. That's Thomas's rear. Shade the lower area of the circle to make it more voluminous, like a ball.
I can't contain it, I'm coming out with a statement. You really changed, man, all your music and arrangement. You don't know shit, shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again.
I decided to paint the lower part of the belly black, but be careful not to overdo it. Otherwise, this part will blend with the legs, which we don't want. Here we draw the number 1. In the areas where our legs are attached, we can add some wrinkles for realism. We will finish the head somewhere here, it will be in profile. And draw a curve for the neck.
Call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win,
Repeat below and finish the neck.
blooded icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows.
For the profile, draw the forehead, nose, mouth, and eye. It is rather simple. We'll do the shadows on the neck the same way. The lower part will be black. I've marked the contour. Add large wrinkles where the neck curves. I did the largest ones first, then added more textural wrinkles. Add some pencil shading to create a shadow. Draw with a little pressure. It might also make sense to darken the bottom of the face. The picture is simple, with straightforward proportions, so feel free to draw it. Let's spice up the tips. The marker may spread on the paper, and with a pen, you can add more sharpness. Our Thomas is ready. Please like this video, it's very important for the growth of my channel. See you soon, bye!